What's up, everyone? Here's a 2019 Maserati Ghibli. We installed this K40 radar system for this customer. He also has laser interceptor jammers. There's two of them. One mounted there, the other mounted on the other side. That is for the front of the vehicle. Around back, he also has two more in the back. Go inside. LEDs are mounted up top.
K40 scan active.
There's two LEDs mounted right above for front and rear radar. We also installed his cables for his interceptor, mounted in the pocket. And also on this vehicle we did full xpel tint, 35% in the front two windows, 20% in the back half. Now she's ready to hit the streets. Thank you guys for watching.